What you are about to experience is a complete soundtrack that tells an original sci-fi story using sound effects, dialogue, and music, but no picture. From every footstep or breathing, each bit of sound was separately recorded and layered together to create what is called a soundscape. This is my first experiment. It's an imagination game. You need to fill in the picture with your mind. If you really want to get the most out of this, I highly recommend playing it in a quiet environment, wear a good pair of headphones, and most importantly, close your eyes. And the quality of the video matters. HD is recommended, but as long as it's not 240p, you won't have trouble with the compression. This introduction is to help make sure that you can properly hear the audio track from the more quiet parts to the much louder scenes. All ready to go? Then sit back and enjoy Xaria.
Incoming message.
Finally.
Commencing message. This is a reminder that you will arrive at your destination in 15 minutes. Your objective is to locate spacecraft Talon S4 and determine the cause for lost communication. Report to the docking bay to prepare for departure.
Well, a lot of help that info was.
Xaria, are you leaving now?
Orders just came through. What have you got for me?
This SD Light series craft is ready to go. Just refueled her. Her force shield is offline for repairs, but she can fly like none other.
Well then, prepare for liftoff. Let's see what this thing can do.
Go on inside, I'll set you up from out here. Anyone else coming along for the ride?
Solo mission this time. Shouldn't be anything that I can't handle on my own.
We'll come back in one piece, yeah?
This is spacecraft SD Light 344 on docking bay 7, requesting permission to depart.
SD Light 344. You are clear for departure.
And now the fun begins. Coordinates set, engines online. Damn, I swear I didn't do it. What the hell wrong button did I touch?
Red alert. Red alert. Docking bay area is now quarantined.
Perfect. What the hell is going on out there? Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me? Really? External cameras are offline too. Thanks for nothing, you piece of junk. Hello? Why are we losing power? Hello? What is happening? Okay, plasma gun. Plasma gun. Man, this armory's pretty pathetic. Only, aha! Gotcha! This better be some sort of sick joke where I'm... Something breaking into the ship? No, it can't be. Get off my ship!
Hello? Hello? Do you read me?
I'm here. I read you.
Xaria, congratulations on your victory.
What? Who is this? What's going on?
Your mission has been fulfilled. You have received a passing mark.
Wait. What mission? What the hell are you talking about?
Your survival training exercise has now completed. Report to your head officer in O200. Out.
Training exercise. You call that a training exercise? Whose bright idea was it letting a screenar on the loose, huh? State your identity. Hello? Hello? Damn it.
Xaria, are you all right? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't tell you. You're not hurt, are you?
Not a scratch, just what the hell was that about?
You've only just arrived here, but you're better than anyone on base. We needed to put you to the test.
And you don't think you could have just given me a multiple choice quiz?
True skill and bravery shows itself in the most dire of situations. You showed us that today.
Oh, fantastic. Well, I hope you're satisfied. Now, we are getting out of here, and you are buying me a hard drink.